This is going to be about trying to get the biggest bang for your buck. Look at this right here. GPP AUD. The margin required is $270 for one mini lot. If we're trying to double our mini lot, we need $270 to do it. It only pays $70 for 100 pips. So to double our mini lot, we need 382 pips. Margin required is 270 plus a little. You know how that works. It only pays $70. Takes 382 to double it. Can you do it in a day? Almost never. Can you do it in a week? Forget it. You can do it in a month, 615. So, if I would be to buy or sell this right now, I'm not going to be sitting here tied to this computer. I know it's almost impossible for the trade to close in a day. I can go outside and watch Priscilla mow the grass or something. I don't have to be tied to this computer. It probably won't do it in a week. I know it's going to be several weeks. So when I trade that, all I'm trying to do is double that 270. There's no stress. I know it's not going to happen anytime soon. Now, do I trade that? Almost never. Why? Because it takes $270 to get in the game. Look at the AUD USD. Right now I'm short, and I'm thinking I'm losing money. It only takes $141 for one mini lot. It pays $100 per 100 pips. So I just need 140. Can you do it in a day? Nope. Can you do it in a week? Maybe. 148 pips there. You can do it in a month. Same principle. I'm still trying to double this. It's just that to get in the game takes 141. To get in this game takes 270. All we're trying to do is to double our money. 100 pips. You possibly can do it in a week. We have a sell signal right now on the daily and the monthly. Of course, I'm already short, but it never hurts to have new sell signals. But anyway, that's one way I try to get the biggest bang for my buck in the shortest period of time. I'm not trying to do it sitting scalping here. I know when I made that trade, it might be next week, might be 2 weeks. Doesn't matter. I'm trying to double it. Give it all the rope it can. Let it go. And you tend to have a better chance of being in the top of the trading group. It sure helps staying out of the losing group. Okay.